Good morning students. Welcome back to today's online class. Students, I hope you all are fine and safe by the grace of God. Okay students, today we are going to learn about some basic things about plant anatomy. So if you first you can know about what is plant anatomy. So plant anatomy is the study of the internal structure of the plants. So in plants, see when we take the cross section and observe through the microscope, we can see different types of tissues. So first you can know about all the basic things about the plant tissues and tissue system. Okay, today I am going to teach about the plant tissue system. See already the tissues, plant tissues you have learned in the 9th standard. Briefly you have learned. See first we can recall, see what are plant tissues. So you all know, see all the living organisms are made up of cells. What are cells? Cells are the basic structural and functional unit of all living organisms. So the cells are organized into tissues. So first you can know about what are tissues. See already you learned in 9th standard. Just we can recall it. So what are tissues? Tissues are the group of cells. Tissues are the group of cells that are similar or dissimilar in structure and origin but perform similar function. So what are tissues? Tissues are group of cells. So the cells already you have learned the plant cell. See here group of cells, they are similar. Some cells are similar in size or dissimilar in size, structure and origin, but they are performing similar function. They are called tissues. See mainly the tissues are classified into two types. So the two types of plant tissues are called meristematic tissues and permanent tissues. Already you learned in 9th standard briefly. The plant tissues are mainly classified into two types of tissues. They are called meristematic tissues and permanent tissues. See meristematic tissues. What are meristematic tissues? Meristematic tissues are meristematic tissues consist of immature cells. It consists of very young cells and it is capable of division. So in this cell, the cells are divided. Have you understood? So meristematic tissues mostly they are present in the growth place. So we all know the plants. So throughout the lifelong the plants are growing. So where the growth is taken place, in that place these meristematic tissues are present, especially in the root tip and shoot tip, as well as in the base of the leaf and in the nodal region where the branches are arranged. Okay, so these are meristematic tissues. Next one is permanent tissues. What are permanent tissues? Means these meristematic tissues after some time, see it will stop to divide. So it become mature. The cells become mature. That tissues are called permanent tissues. Okay. So the basic tissues are meristematic tissues and permanent tissue. The meristematic tissues consist of young tissue, that is immature cells, and it is capable of division. Permanent tissues consist of mature cells and it does not capable of division. Okay, so this meristematic tissue, based on their position, it can be classified into three types. They are apical meristem, intercalary meristem and lateral meristem. So here we can see the meristems. See apical meristem, intercalary meristem and lateral meristem. Apical meristem, it is present at the tip of the shoot system. So it is present at the tip of the root system. And what is the function of of the apical meristem is it helps to elongate the stem portion. Okay. So next one is intercalary meristem. See, the intercalary meristem mainly present at the nodal region where the leaves and the branches are arranged. And also in the monocot plant, it is present at the leaf base. So here, due to that, the branches and the leaves are arranged. Due to the presence of intercalary meristem, the branches, the leaves are arranged. It is mainly present in the nodal region. The third one is lateral meristem. What are lateral meristem is? See, it is present at the radial side of the stem portion. So, it is present at the lateral side, at the radial side. So, it helps to increases the width of the stem. Okay, so this is about meristematic tissue. Next one is permanent tissue. See, this permanent tissue mainly classified into two types. They are simple permanent tissue and complex tissue. So, this and all you are learning in 9th standard, just we can recall it. Okay. So, the simple permanent tissues. So, these simple permanent tissues are classified into three types. They are parenchyma, collenchyma and sclerenchyma. Parenchyma, collenchyma and sclerenchyma. See, these parenchyma tissues are, the cell wall is very thin, and this parenchyma tissues are living tissue because of the presence of living protoplast in the cell. Okay. So, these are thin walled cells. See, the shape of the cells are either it is oval or polygonal in shape, and it can be arranged with intercellular spaces. What are intercellular spaces mean? The spaces between each cells, they are called intercellular spaces. See, this is helpful for gaseous exchange. And in this parenchyma tissue, what is the function of the parenchyma tissue? Means mainly it can store the food materials and fatty acids. So in this parenchyma tissue, say the parenchyma tissue which is present in the aquatic plants, it consists of, say, between the cell tissues, it can leave some large intercellular spaces. So it is called aerenchyma. So in aquatic plants, the parenchyma tissue it is present that are called aerenchyma. See, it consists of large intercellular spaces between the cells. So this intercellular space helps the plant to buoyant on the surface of the. What is the meaning of buoyant? It helps to float the plant on the surface of the water. And in the leaves, we can see the parenchymatous tissue. See, this parenchymatous tissue, when it is exposed to light, see that it develops the green pigment called chloroplast. The green pigment called chloroplast. So, that type of parenchyma tissue, it is called chlorenchyma. That type of tissue, it is called chlorenchyma. So, this is about parenchyma. The second type of simple tissue is called collenchyma. See, the collenchyma mainly it is present just below the epidermis of the plant tissue. Okay, epidermis means the outermost layer of the plant part. So, below the epidermis, the collenchyma tissues are present, but it is present only in the stem part. It is absent in root. Okay, see, it gives. See, here also the cells are oblique, rectangular, polygonal in shape, and it is also a living tissue. See, it gives mechanical support and mechanical strength to the plant body. Have you understood? So, collenchyma, it is present only in the stem part, below the epidermis. That is about collenchyma. So, parenchyma and collenchyma are living tissue. Next one is sclerenchyma. Sclerenchyma, see, it is the cells are very thick, and the cells are here the tissues are dead cells. It consists of dead cells. Dead cells. Why it consists of dead cells means because in the cell the protoplasm it is absent. So it consists of dead cell. So here in this sclerenchyma, say the large lumen is present. The lumen means this place. See, inside the cell wall there is no protoplast, or some space is there, that is called lumen. So it consists of large lumen. So it is a dead tissue. So this sclerenchyma tissue can be classified into two types. They are fibers and sclerids. Fibers and sclerids. Fibers are elongated cell. It consists of elongated cell. It gives mechanical support to the plant body. And the sclerids are diamond in shape, and it is present in groups. They are present in colonies. Okay, they are present in groups. Mainly it is present in fruits as well as the seeds of the fruits. Well understood? This is about simple permanent tissue. So the plant tissue can be classified into two types: meristematic tissues and permanent tissue. Permanent tissues are classified into two types. They are simple permanent tissues and complex tissue. The simple permanent tissue has three types. They are parenchyma, collenchyma and sclerenchyma. Next one is complex tissue. What are complex tissue means? The complex tissue consists of more than one type of tissue, one type of cell. And it can work as a single unit. Mainly this complex tissue consists of conductive tissue. They are called xylem and phloem. They are called xylem and phloem. These are conductive tissue. This xylem, it helps, what is the function of this xylem means? It helps to transport the water and minerals from the root to aerial parts of the plant body. So this xylem and phloem, it is very, very important. They are vascular tissue or conductive tissue. So xylem conducts water and minerals from the root to aerial parts of the plant body, and phloem conducts the food materials from the leaves to other parts of the plant body. So here these are complex tissue. So in these tissues, it consists of more than two types of tissues. Mainly this xylem consists of four types of tissue and work as a single unit. What are the four types of tissue? See, already you learned. What are the four types of xylem tissue? What are the four elements, components present in the xylem tissue? The first one is xylem tracheids, xylem vessel, xylem parenchyma and xylem fibers. So these are the four tissues that is present in the xylem and work as a single unit. See, in this xylem tracheids and vessels helpful for the conduction of water and minerals. The phloem also consists of four types of components. They are sieve elements, companion cell, then phloem parenchyma and phloem fibers. See here the sieve elements helpful for conducting the food materials from the leaf to other parts of the plant body. This is sieve elements. So the sieve elements are helpful for conducting the food materials from the leaf to other parts of the plant body. So these are plant tissues. So plant tissues, so already you have learned. So just we can recall it. So the plant tissues are classified into two types. They are meristematic tissues and permanent tissue. Meristematic tissues, based on the position, it is classified into three types. They are apical meristem, intercalary meristem and lateral meristem. Permanent tissues are classified into two types. They are simple permanent tissues and complex tissue. Simple permanent tissues has three types. They are parenchyma, collenchyma and sclerenchyma. See, and among these, the parenchyma and collenchyma are living tissues and the sclerenchyma are dead tissues. And the complex tissues consist of the vascular tissues or the conductive tissues such as xylem and phloem. Xylem consists of four components or four elements. They are xylem tracheids, xylem vessel, xylem parenchyma and xylem fibers. And the phloem consists of four types of elements. They are sieve elements, companion cell, phloem parenchyma and phloem fibers. This is about plant tissue. So the next one is tissue system. That is only the very, very important basic things we are going to study about the plant anatomy. So plant anatomy is the study of the internal structure of the plant part. See, when we take the cross section or transverse section, we can see the different types of tissue system. See, the main three basic tissue system in flowering plants are called tissue system. There are three main basic tissue system present in the flowering plants. The first one is epidermal or dermal tissue system. Second one is ground tissue system. Third one is vascular tissue system. So the three main basic tissue system in the flowering plants are epidermal or dermal tissue system, ground tissue system, vascular tissue system. When we take the cross section of the flowering plants, either it is stem, root or leaves, we can see these three regions. See, it is made up of different types of tissues. Okay, the first one is epidermal or dermal tissue system. See, what are epidermal or dermal tissue system? See, the epidermal or dermal, epi means outer. So dermal, see, it is the outermost layer of the plant part. So epidermal is the outermost layer of the plant part. So when we take the cross section, we can see the outermost layer, that is called epidermis. See, this is epidermal layer or dermal region. In our body part also, see, it was covered by the dermal tissue system, that is called skin. So, okay, so in the same way, the plant also covered by a outermost layer, it is called dermal or epidermal tissue system. So it is epidermal. In the stem, it is called epidermis, and the root, the outermost layer, we can call it as rhizodermis or piliferous layer. And the epidermal, the dermal tissue system, it consists of epidermis, stomata and epidermal outgrowths. So it consists of epidermal tissue system, and in leaves, in the epidermal tissue system, it consists of stomata, and also the outgrowths it is present, the epidermal outgrowths such as trichomes or root hairs. In the leaves and the stem, the outgrowths it is called trichomes. In the root, the outgrowth, the epidermal outgrowths, it is called root hairs. I will understood. So the outgrowths it is present in the epidermal region, and the stomata are present in the epidermal region. It is in the leaf part. Have you understood? So that is the outer dermal region. See, what is the function of this dermal tissue system or epidermal tissue system? It protects the internal tissues. It protects the internal tissues. So this is the outermost layer. Inner to these epidermal tissues, there are also many internal tissues are present. So it protects the internal tissues. And the stomata present in the epidermal region, it helps in transpiration. So what is transpiration? The loss of water from the aerial parts of the excess water can be evaporate in the form of water vapor to the atmosphere. That is called transpiration. So this stomata are the small tiny pores present in the leaf part, that is present in the dermal region of the leaves. So this stomata, it is helpful for the process transpiration. Next one, in root, the epidermal outgrowth is there, no? See, that root hairs helps for the absorption of water and minerals from the soil. Okay, the root hairs only absorb the water and minerals from the soil. So these are the functions of dermal or epidermal tissue system. Next one is ground tissue system. So the ground tissue system, It consists of cortex, endodermis, pericycle and pith. Okay. So below the dermal region, the ground tissue system are present. See, this ground tissue system, either it is made up of parenchyma, collenchyma or sclerenchymatous tissues. See here, cortex is there. So below the epidermis, that region we can call it as cortex. It is the cortex. It is made up of either parenchyma, sclerenchyma or collenchyma. Okay. So that portion we can call it as cortex. Inner to the cortex, the inner layer of the cortex is called endodermis. This is called endodermis. So here the tissue system, that is either parenchyma, sclerenchyma or collenchyma tissue system are there. See, inner to the cortex, there is one more layer of barrel shaped cell. It is present, that is called endodermis. Below the endodermis, again one more layer, parenchymatous tissues are there, that is called pericycle. See, this pericycle cover the vascular tissues. Okay. So pericycle, in the center of the part, stem or root, we can see a small pith is present. So this ground tissue consists of cortex, endodermis, pericycle and pith. Have you understood? So this is the basic thing. So that is the ground tissue consists of cortex, endodermis, pericycle and pith. Next one is vascular tissue system. See, the vascular tissue system are arranged in the cortex region. So here the vascular tissues are present. They are arranged. See, what are vascular tissues? Already we learned. The vascular tissues are xylem and phloem. So the xylem and phloem are arranged in a bundle. That type of bundle we can call it as vascular bundle. Okay, vascular tissue system or the conductive tissue system or the vascular tissue system such as xylem and phloem. See, these xylem and phloem are arranged in a bundle. That type of bundle it is called vascular bundle. See, there are different types of vascular bundles are there. See, mainly three types of vascular bundles are there. They are radial vascular bundle, conjoined vascular bundle and concentric vascular bundle. Three types of vascular bundles are there. They are radial vascular bundle, conjoined vascular bundle and concentric vascular bundle. See, now we can see the types of vascular bundle. See, first one is radial vascular bundles. See, what are radial vascular bundles? See, the radial vascular bundles, here the xylem and the phloem are arranged in different radii. See here, see this brown color, it is denoted as xylem. This is the pink color, it is phloem. See, these are the vascular tissues. They are arranged in different radii. So, you all know radius. What is radius? The distance between the center point to the circle, that is called radius. So, here we can see the xylem. This is xylem. This is phloem. Xylem, phloem. They are arranged in different radii. They are called radial vascular bundle. Okay. The next type is conjoined vascular bundle. What are conjoined vascular bundle means? Here the xylem and the phloem are arranged in same radii. In the radial vascular bundle, xylem and phloem are arranged in different radii. In the conjoined vascular bundle, they are arranged in same radii. See here, see this vascular bundle, this one. You can see these three are conjoined vascular bundle. See, this blue color indicates phloem and the brown color indicates xylem. So here they are arranged in the same radii. The xylem and the phloem are arranged in the same radii. Here also we can see the xylem and the phloem and the xylem are arranged in the same radii. Here also we can see they are arranged in the xylem tissue and the phloem tissues are arranged in the same radii. That type of vascular bundle, it is called conjoined vascular bundle. In the conjoined vascular bundle, there are two types of vascular bundles are there. Collateral vascular bundle and bicollateral vascular bundle. So what is collateral vascular bundle? Say collateral vascular bundle is if phloem lies towards the periphery and the xylem lies towards the center, that type of vascular bundle it is called collateral vascular bundle. Why means, say here we can see the vascular bundles are arranged, no? So many vascular bundles are arranged. See, in the vascular bundle, here phloem it is there, here xylem it is there. See, the xylem that is lies towards the center of the plant part and the phloem it is lies towards the periphery of the plant part. That type it is called collateral vascular bundle. So xylem lies towards the center and the phloem lies towards the periphery. That type of vascular bundle it is called collateral vascular bundle. In this collateral vascular bundle, there are two types are there, open and closed vascular bundle. What is open vascular bundle means? See, there is, see this yellow color. Have you ever seen? So that is called cambium. What is cambium means? It consists of dividing cell. So this cambium consists of in actively dividing cell. It is helpful for increasing the width of the plant part during secondary growth. So during secondary growth, this cambium is helpful because it can divide. The cells can divide and increases the width. So that is called cambium. So in the collateral vascular bundle, if cambium is present in between phloem and xylem, that type of vascular bundle it is called open vascular bundle. That type of vascular bundle it is called open vascular bundle. Between the phloem and the xylem, if cambium is absent means that type of vascular bundle it is called closed vascular bundle. Okay, so collateral vascular bundle means xylem lies towards the center, phloem lies towards the periphery. See, between the xylem and phloem, if cambium it is present, that type of vascular bundle it is called open vascular bundle. If cambium is absent, it is called closed vascular bundle. So we can say this type of vascular bundle. This vascular bundle is conjoined. Conjoined means the xylem and the phloem are arranged in the same radii. Then collateral. Xylem lies towards the center, phloem lies towards the periphery. And open. Open means between the xylem and the phloem, cambium is present. So this type of vascular bundle is called conjoined, collateral and open vascular bundle. So here this type of vascular bundle we can call it as conjoined, collateral and closed vascular bundle. Conjoined means xylem and phloem are arranged in the same radius. Collateral, xylem lies towards the center, phloem lies towards the periphery. Closed means here cambium is absent between the xylem and phloem. So this type of vascular bundle is called conjoined, collateral and closed vascular bundle. That is about collateral vascular bundle. It is the type of conjoined. The second type is bicollateral vascular bundle. What is bicollateral vascular bundle means? Say both the end we can see the phloem. This is outer phloem. This is inner phloem. So both the end, see we can see, above the xylem and below the xylem we can see the phloem. That is called bi. Bi means two. Two ends. It consists of phloem tissues. They are called bicollateral vascular bundle. So here two sides phloem it is present. So this type of vascular bundle it is called conjoined bicollateral vascular bundle. Have you understood? So radial and conjoined vascular bundle we have learned. Next we are going to learn about the concentric vascular bundle. What are concentric vascular bundle means? See, either xylem surrounds phloem or phloem surrounds xylem. That type of vascular bundle it is called concentric vascular bundle. See, this concentric vascular bundle has two types. They are amphiversal and amphicribral. What are amphiversal and amphicribral means? If xylem surrounds, this brown color indicates xylem, this blue color indicates phloem tissue. So, if xylem surrounds phloem, that type of vascular bundle it is called amphiversal vascular bundle. Amphicribral means if phloem surrounds xylem, they are called amphicribral vascular bundle. So these are the main basic vascular tissues present in the flowering plants. So when we are going to say the 10th standard chapter, first chapter is plant anatomy. See, if you know these basic things, it is easy to study. Okay. So the main type of vascular, the tissue system are epidermal tissue system, ground tissue system, and vascular tissue system. Epidermal are outermost layer. Ground tissue system, it is present between below the epidermal region. See, it consists of cortex, endodermis, pericycle and pith. See, the vascular tissue system consists of xylem and phloem. The vascular tissues such as xylem and phloem, they are arranged in bundles. That bundles are called vascular bundles. There are different types of vascular bundles are present. They are radial, conjoined and concentric. Radial means, see, radial vascular bundle, the xylem and the phloem are arranged in different radii. Conjoined vascular bundle means, see, the xylem and the phloem are arranged in same radii. It consists of two types. They are collateral and bicollateral. Collateral means phloem lies towards the periphery and the xylem lies towards the center. Okay, that is collateral. See, in the collateral vascular bundle, if cambium is present between the xylem and the phloem, that type of vascular bundle it is called open vascular bundle. If cambium is absent, it is called closed vascular bundle. Bicollateral means, see, both the end, if phloem it is present, they are called bicollateral vascular bundle. Next one is concentric vascular bundle. What are concentric vascular bundle means? Xylem surrounds phloem or vice versa. Phloem surrounds xylem. See, based on that, it can be classified into two types. They are amphiversal and amphicribral. Amphiversal means, see, xylem surrounds phloem. Xylem surrounds phloem. Amphicribral means phloem surrounds xylem. They are called amphicribral vascular bundle. So these are the types of vascular bundle. Next we are going to learn about the xylem. That is, there are two types of conditions are there. Endark and exarch condition. What is endark means? See here, the vascular bundles are there. See, here the xylem it is present. So this is the xylem vessel. See here, we can see big cell, and here at the one end we can see the small cell. The big cell it is called metaxylem. The smaller one it is called protoxylem. Metaxylem. The big cell it is called metaxylem. The smaller one is called protoxylem. So protoxylem, say protoxylem, See, it is the first formed cell. Metaxylem, it is the later form. The metaxylem consists of long lumen. So, see here, if the protoxylem, it will face towards the center and the metaxylem face towards the periphery, that type of condition is called exarch. Endarch. Endarch. See what is endarch means? Endarch, metaxylem lies towards the periphery and the protoxylem lies towards the center. That type of that type is called endarch condition. What is exarch means? See here, the metaxylem. So here we can see the metaxylem. Here the xylem vessels are there. The metaxylem lies towards the center and the protoxylem lies towards the periphery, just opposite. That type of xylem, it is called exarch condition. That type is called exarch condition. What is endarch? Endarch means metaxylem lies towards the periphery, protoxylem lies towards the center. Exarch means metaxylem lies towards the center, protoxylem lies towards the periphery. Have you understood? These are the types of vascular bundle. If you know this basic thing, you can learn the plant anatomy very easily. So you can students, you have ninth book. In that book, there are different types of tissues are there. That diagram you can practice it. Then only you can easily draw the diagram of the internal structures such as stem, leaf and root. Okay, you can practice it and you can study this one. Thank you students. We shall meet on the next class.